Hey, welcome back to MoneyQuip, your go-to channel for new business ideas, growing your online business, and generally making money online. My name is Firdausi, and once again, welcome. So today I'm going to talk about how to make money online sharing free ebooks. You're going to get these ebooks for free. All you have to do is just find them and share them to the right people. And by the right people, I mean people that are actually looking for stuff that these ebooks are talking about, people that have problems that these books can help them solve. And I'm going to show you where to get these ebooks and where you're going to promote them so you can make money online. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is to get the ebook that we're going to promote. So first you go to a site called clickbank.com. If you don't have an account with Clickbank, it's easy to create an account. It's easy to create an account. Just go to clickbank.com and create an account with them. And if Clickbank doesn't accept your country, I'm going to upload a video very soon. And once I upload it, the link is going to be in the description box below on how you can create a Clickbank account if Clickbank doesn't accept your country. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your affiliate marketplace in Clickbank, and you're just going to scroll down. Okay, not scroll down. We're going to click on advanced search to find this product that we're going to promote. Click on advanced search. And since we're looking for a product that has affiliate tools, and okay, sorry, these free ebooks that we're talking about are part of affiliate tools for Clickbank products. And we're looking for a product that has affiliate tools. So you're going to scroll down a little here and click on this icon and check this box. And that's it. We're just going to click on search. And let's change this to 20. Okay, then click on search. Okay, once you click on search, you're just going to scroll down and find the product that you want to promote. Okay, once you click on search, you're just going to scroll down and find the product that you want to promote. I'm just going to keep on scrolling down until I find the one that I want to promote. I'm looking for something that's in the health niche, so I'm going to keep scrolling until I find something that I like. Okay, let's check this out. Custom keto diet. Let's click on their affiliate page. And once you click on their affiliate page, okay, it tells you to enter your first name and email address to access this. So I'm just going to enter my name and my email address and click on access affiliate tools. Okay, just going to check this box. Okay, and what you want to find here is lead magnets. These lead magnets are the ebooks that you're going to promote. So click on lead magnets. Okay, here it says click here to download lead magnets number 1, deliciously easy keto recipes. I'm just going to click on it to download it. Okay, and once you've downloaded this, what you want to do is edit this PDF so it contains your affiliate link. And once you promote it to people that are interested in weight loss and stuff like that, they're definitely going to click on the link if they see it there. And if they're interested, they're going to buy what you're promoting. So I'm going to go to my downloads and edit that ebook so it contains my affiliate link. And to get your affiliate link, let's just edit the book first. Let's go to where we're going to edit the book first. It's called Custom Keto Diet, right? Let's just go back and see what it's called. I don't even remember. Okay, Deliciously Easy. Here it is. So I'm just going to open it with Word. Okay, and once you've opened it up, this document, you're just going to scroll down and let's see. we can add our affiliate link probably to the end of a page, or to the end of, let's say, a topic or a subtopic. Let's see where we can add our link. Let's just scroll down. Let's see. We can add our link here. Enter and say something like click here to check, or you can just say check this out. Maybe say want more recipes, check this out. And then here we can add our affiliate link. Okay, then now what we are going to do next is go and get that affiliate link. Okay, so I'm going back to the page and I'm going to find where it says, okay, here it says create your affiliate link. So I'm going to click on it. Just hold on a second. Okay, and okay, they actually have quite a couple of landing pages, and you can just take your customers straight to the sales page. Okay, let's not do this. Let's just go back to ClickBank Marketplace. It's easier to create your affiliate links from there. So I'm just going to click on promote here, custom keto diets, promote. And once it loads up, you're going to be able to get your hop links. So I'm just going to click on generate hop links here. And that's it. This is our affiliate link. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in that ebook. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this and insert a hyperlink. So I'm going to come over here where I can insert hyperlink. I'm going to click on insert and then insert hyperlink. So I'm just going to paste that link here. Control V to paste. And then OK. And that's it. We have our affiliate link right here. Let me just correct the spelling. Check. And you can actually put this in more places. Maybe after each recipe, you can add want more recipes, check this out. Or maybe after the whole topic or after the whole ebook, you can put it anywhere you want since it's your book, right? So I'm going to click on Control Save and save this. Sorry, Control S and save this. And if you don't want to do this with Word, you can just go to, if you don't want to do this with Word, you can just go to an online PDF editor and just edit this. This is a PDF file. I'm going to click on PDF and save. Okay, and once you've done this, the next thing to do is to find. Okay, we can't save this read only. To keep your changes, you'll need to save the document with a new name or in a different location. Okay, let's change the name since that's what they want us to do. Okay, and add PDF and save. Okay, the next thing you want to do is find where you're going to promote this product. So what you're going to do is go back to your web browser and we're going to use a site called quora.com. If you don't have an account with Quora, you can easily create one. You can actually sign in with your Google account. And what you're going to do when you go to Quora is you're going to search for things that have to do with eating healthy, with ketogenic diets, with weight loss, anything like that. And I actually just searched for healthy eating, and it's a space that I'm following. So once you come here, you just click on answer, and you find a question that is somehow related to the book that you're promoting. Okay, so let's see. What is food safety and quality? How much fresh air? How many apples a day? Tomato sauce. Why do people drink blood in Africa? Do people drink blood in Africa? Okay. What is the best food market in Asia? What 4 practices make food unsafe? You just have to find a product that you're willing to promote. You have to find a question that you can answer. So what I actually have this question already. So I'm just going to click, and here is the question that I'm going to answer. So I'm just going to click on answer here. And once your box for answering the question comes out, you're just going to tell this person a bit about where to find the best online products for weight loss. And after you do that, you're going to tell them that I actually have this product. If it's something that you're interested in, you can maybe talk to me about it. You can ask me in the comments section, or you can just add the link to that PDF. Since it's not an affiliate link, they're not going to have an issue with it. So what you're going to do is just write something here, and then at the end of it say that this is actually an online product that I use, or something like that, so that people will be able to click on that link and read that ebook that you have. Or just tell them that these are some free keto recipes that I got online, and you just drop the link here, and they're going to click on that link, and they're going to get those ebooks and click on your affiliate link so they can buy what you're promoting if they're interested in it. But before you do any of this, guys, first thing you have to do when you go to Quora is to fill out your profile and add credentials. Because if you don't do that, Quora is going to ban you. It's going to block you, if you answer questions. And also you can't use links in every question that you answer, or else they're going to block you as well. And their blocking is like 2 weeks, I think, because they blocked me about twice. They even banned one of my accounts because of excessive use of links, I guess. So you shouldn't do that. If you do that, they're going to block. They're going to block you, and you won't be able to make money with this because they're going to block your answers. And also, you can just decide to search for questions. You can just search for something like best keto recipes or best keto diet or something like that, and just answer questions like that. And when you're answering questions, just make sure that you really elaborate, you really explain so much, because that's what people like to see. And even if you don't include your links, people are definitely going to check out your profile. And you can also add the link to that ebook in your profile when you're editing it, so that people that check out your profile in from questions that you don't add your links to, they can also see it. Okay, that was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that like button and click on subscribe